Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are looking at some logical problem. So the question is given: if x square plus y square plus z square minus 64 over xy minus yz minus zx equal to minus 2 and x plus y equal to 3z, then what is z value? So here some logic is there. That's why this problem is selected. As you are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, as you are and also as you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you, Amma. Now, how to solve this problem? So easy only. So here we are going to discuss this in two models, model 1 and model 2. First one, Amma, given x square plus y square plus z square minus 64 is equal to cross multiply minus 2x minus 2yz minus into minus minus plus 2yz, okay, plus 2zx. So here x plus square plus y square plus 2xy, sending 2xy that side, plus z square minus 64 is equal to, here you can take 2z common, you will get x plus y. So here you can write it as x plus y whole square x plus y whole square plus z square minus 64 equal to 2z into x plus y. So this can be written as x plus y is 3z. X plus y is 3z. 3z whole square plus z square minus 64 is equal to 2z into 3z. So here 9z square plus z square minus 64 equal to 6z square. So 10z square minus 6z square equal to 64. Now here 4z square is equal to 64. Z square is equal to 64 by 4. You will get 16. Z is equal to root 16. That is nothing but plus or minus 4. Z value is plus or minus 4. Now we'll go to model 2. So what is model 2 here? Let x plus y is given x plus y is equal to 3z. So let x is equal to z, y is equal to 2z. Y is equal to 2z. Total will get 3z. Now here x square plus y square plus z square minus 64 by xy minus yz minus zx equal to minus 2. Now here the substitute the value, x is equal to z square, y is equal to 2z whole square plus z square minus 64 by xy. Xy means here z, here y is 2z minus 2z into z minus z into z is equal to minus 2. Substituting the value here. So here you'll get z square plus 4z square plus z square minus 64 by here 2z square minus 2z square minus z square is equal to minus 2. So here you will get 6z square, 2z square, 2z square cancel, minus 64 is equal to 2z square. So 6z square minus 2z square equal to 64, 4z square equal to 64, z square equal to 64 by 4, 16, z is equal to square root of 16 plus or minus 4. I hope you understood the video. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.